Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now take a look at what I have here. Here I have an amazing facial mask. This facial mask is loaded with vitamin A. It also contains vitamin C and it contains vitamin E. This facial mask will help to soften the skin while still giving your skin a firm appearance. It also will help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation. It will lock that moisture in the skin and have your skin just looking soft, hydrated, clear and supple looking. This is also great to get rid of the wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. Just an amazing combination of ingredients, all natural, and these ingredients are ingredients that you probably already have at home. So if you're looking for a facial mask that's gonna give you fast result and have your skin looking younger and fresher, follow me to the kitchen. I'll show you how to whip this up and I will also show you how to use it on your skin for best result. So I'm using an overripe banana for this recipe. We're only using a half. Make sure the banana is extremely ripe. Banana is very hydrating to the skin. So we're just gonna add the banana to the blender. We don't even need to chop the banana. It's already soft. Now what we're gonna do next, we're gonna reach for some petroleum jelly, also known as Vaseline. If you do not want to use petroleum jelly, you can use some shea butter for this recipe. Petroleum jelly will help to soften the skin, help to get rid of hyperpigmentation. We're using a teaspoon of the petroleum jelly. We're not melting this, we're just adding it to the blender along with the banana. And what we're going to do next, we're going to add a final ingredient to this. And our final ingredient is turmeric powder. Turmeric powder will help to brighten the skin, lighten the skin. We don't need a lot. We're just using about a half of a teaspoon of the turmeric powder. And we're adding that in the blender along with the petroleum jelly and the banana. And now we're going to cover this. Shake it down and we're going to blend. It's done. Ooh. Take a look. This is it. Let's pour this in. This smells amazing. Make sure to get everything out. Look at this, guys. This is your facial mask right here using banana and petroleum jelly. And let's pour this in a storage container. Just pour this in. And this is it. You can add some fuller's earth, you can add some oatmeal, You can also add a bit of a green clay, any form of a clay that you have, or you can even add a little bit of a potato starch to this. So here you have it, very hydrating to the skin, get rid of hyperpigmentation on the skin, lighten and brighten the skin, and this will have your skin looking younger and fresher once used on a regular. So store in your refrigerator for up to 7 days. I'm going to go on the other side and show you how to use it on your skin for best result. Now to use this remedy, you're just gonna apply it to your skin, and I like to use my hands to apply it on my skin. So just apply a nice thick layer on the skin and just rub it in the skin. I'm just using the scoop to pour it on my skin like I'm showing right here. And then I'm just gonna rub it on my skin. It feels really smooth, guys. So just apply it all over your face. Now this mask is perfect to go as close as possible under your eyes. It is also good to use on your neck and your décolleté. It's very velvety, so you're gonna find yourself playing in it a lot. I just like to play with it on my skin. So as I am applying it to my skin, you can clearly see how hydrating it is. What I like to do, guys, I like to rub it on my skin for about a minute or so. Just rub it in like you're exfoliating your skin. And as I said, don't forget your neck and your décolleté. Now once this is completely covered, once your face is completely covered with the mask, guys, you are gonna leave it on your face for at least 30 minutes. Now this is not a mask that is gonna dry on the skin. What it's gonna do is gonna lock that moisture in the skin. It's gonna plump the skin up, hydrates the skin, and have your skin looking clear, clearing the hyperpigmentation from your skin. Just amazing. So after about 30 minutes or so, you want to rinse this off, preferably with some cold water. If you can tolerate ice water on your skin, go ahead and rinse this off with some ice water. Amazing plump, guys. Amazing lift and firmness to the skin. So guys, give this a go. Use it at least 2 to 3 times a week. However, this is safe to use on your skin every day. If you're going to use it every day, just rub your skin with it and rinse it off after about 2 to 3 minutes. And guys, you're on your way to beautiful, clear, radiant, but plump, soft looking skin.